Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Vercel deployment. If you're working on a project and have multiple deployments on Vercel, you might eventually want to remove some of them. This can happen if a deployment was created for testing, contains an error, or is simply no longer needed. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Vercel. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all of your projects are listed. Next, navigate to the Deployment section. This tab displays every deployment that has been created for the project. Each deployment entry shows details such as the deployment status, the branch it was deployed from, and the unique deployment URL generated by Vercel. Scroll through the list and find the deployment you want to delete. When you click on that deployment, you'll be taken to the Deployment Details page, where you can preview the project and view build information. On this page, look for the Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or an Actions menu. When you open this menu, you'll see several management options related to that deployment. Among those options, there will be a Delete Deployment option. Click on it, and Vercel will ask you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removal of deployments. After confirming the action, the deployment will be permanently deleted from the project's deployment history. Once removed, the deployment URL associated with that version will no longer work, and visitors will not be able to access it anymore. It's important to remember that deleting a deployment only removes that specific version of the project. It does not delete the entire project or affect other deployments that are still active. This allows developers to clean up older versions while keeping the current production deployment running normally. Managing deployments in Vercel can be especially helpful if you frequently push updates or test multiple versions of your application. Removing unnecessary deployments keeps your dashboard cleaner and makes it easier to track the versions that actually matter. By opening your project, navigating to the deployments list, and selecting the Delete option from the deployment menu, you can quickly remove any deployment you no longer need. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.